What's going on? It's your boy Santana with elevatorwithin.com coming to you with another Shopify video. So today I'm going to show you guys a free Shopify course that you can jump into to learn how to actually dropship. I show you guys how to get your store started, how to find winning products, and how to begin to market those products on Facebook so you can generate your first sales. So let me go ahead and show you guys what this course is all about. See you guys inside. So here we are inside of my money making machine where I'm getting ready to show you guys how you can register for my free dropshipping course if you haven't already. The course is really designed to help beginners get started with dropshipping. I show you guys how to build your store, how to find products, and then how to begin to actually market those products so you can actually generate sales. I can't stress it enough how often I'm inside Facebook groups and Reddit posts, hearing all beginners talking about the actual foundation and asking common questions on, how do I get started with Shopify? How do I set up my store correctly? How do I get started with drop shipping? How do I find products? All these common questions are all answered within inside my course. So I'm going to show you guys and I'm going to walk you through what's exactly inside my course so you can see all the free content that I'm giving you, and it's really a step-by-step process. Okay, so I'll drop the actual link to the course in the description if you want to go ahead and get started right away. If you've been liking the content I've been dropping, go ahead and hit a like and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you stay updated on the daily Shopify videos that I'm dropping. So let's dive right into it. Okay, you can see here that in the course, what exactly is it that you're going to learn? Okay, you're going to learn how to set up your store properly. You're going to know which apps you need to actually increase conversions, how to automate a large portion of the actual process, and then how to promote your store profitably, which is the ultimate goal. So, like I said, this is a very detailed course that's perfect for a beginner or anyone who's currently stuck and doesn't know how to get to the next level. But like I said, if we take a look at the actual course, you can see what I'm going to really be talking about. Module 1 is really going to focus on setting up your store, really understanding how to actually navigate Shopify so you can dominate it and know exactly what you need to do, how to add your products, how to add collections, how to go ahead and set up your shipping settings, selecting the right theme. And if you saw the video that I created yesterday, it was all about the 3 best themes to use, one, that are mobile optimized and offer the best experience for your actual customer so you can improve your actual conversion. So we'll go a little bit over that. Then at the same time, I dive into detail for those of you that are not in the United States and can't use PayPal or Stripe. I show you guys alternative options to be able to accept payments. Okay. Once we dive into module 2, I think the most important thing after that is knowing the right apps that you need to have and then having the right tracking on your store, because without Google Analytics and not knowing who's coming to your store, what actions they're taking, you're not going to be able to adapt. You're not going to be able to make adjustments and grow and continue to scale your actual store. So I show you guys how to get that set up and how to set up certain goals within Google so you're tracking the right things. It's very important. And so the next thing that I dive into is what's going to make you actual money is knowing how to actually find products, knowing how to contact the actual suppliers. And if you're using Orello, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up all the settings in Orello and how to actually fulfill orders, because I can't stress it enough. When I first got started and I saw videos on, finding products with Orello, it was really difficult for me to know, I've never made a sale. Okay, I've made my first sale. Now, how do I actually fulfill the order? So it's a very common question that's asked, and I show you guys the actual process when I fulfill an order of an actual product that I sold, walking you through how do you go through that process so your customer gets that actual product. Okay. And then towards the end of that module, I show you guys how you can really just automate the actual process to where you can literally go out there, get a VA, and have them fulfill everything. That's very seamless. So I walk you through that. The most important aspect of this course is once you have everything set up, you found your actual product, you have to know how to go out there and actually promote. Now, there's multiple ways for you to promote your actual product, whether it be Instagram, whether it be Pinterest, whether it be Snapchat, whether it be Facebook. Within this course, I really dive into actual Facebook because I feel like that's the route that most beginners actually take. And the most important aspect of it is knowing how to target. I think that's the most crucial aspect of it, is knowing how to find the people to place your product in front of. And I show you 3 different ways that you can actually target. So definitely check out that module. And at the end of that module, I show you guys exactly how to set up your first ad. I show you step by step how to get that ad setting, to the copy, to the imagery, to how I set up the links. It's a complete walkthrough. And then as a bonus for you guys, I show you guys how to use funnels, okay? And I'm sure you talked about funnels. Life itself is an actual funnel, and it's very crucial. It's a great way for you now, one, to test multiple products, and then to be able to control what your customer actually sees, and to be able to upsell additional products that you can pair. So I walk in detail into that for you, and that's really gonna go ahead and complete the actual course. So as you can see here, there's over 30 videos of free content to you guys that, one, you may not know, or you do know, and it could be a refresher, but it's all in one place for you guys. So definitely take advantage of this course. Give me your comments below on things that you want to see inside the course, other videos that you want me to make. What questions do you have? Please pick my brain and allow me to offer you guys the answers that you guys are looking for. So if you haven't already, sign up for the actual course. The link is in the actual description. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Once again, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date on the videos that I'm dropping daily on Shopify. I'll see you guys tomorrow.